Hey everyone, and welcome back to your own channel, Motivational Beliefs. If you're tuning in after July 21st, the peak of the full moon, I want to reassure you that it's absolutely not too late. You haven't missed out. The energy of this powerful lunar phase is still very much with us, and we're going to harness it in an amazing way. I know many of you might be thinking, but the peak has passed. Have I lost my chance? Absolutely not. Think of it this way. The peak full moon is like a tidal wave, intense and powerful. But even after the wave crests, the ocean remains energized, filled with potential. That's the energy we're tapping into today. In this video, we're going to be working with a very special spice, clove. Cloves are not just a kitchen staple. They're a powerhouse in the world of manifestation and intention setting. They're associated with abundance, protection, and amplifying the energy we put out into the universe. We'll be using cloves in a unique way to help you manifest your desires, even after the peak of the full moon has passed. So, if you're ready to embrace this powerful energy and take your manifestations to the next level, get ready to dive in with me. The full moon that graced our skies on July 21st was no ordinary lunar event. It was a supermoon, meaning it was at its closest point to Earth in its orbit, making it appear larger and brighter than usual. This proximity amplifies its energetic influence, making it a potent time for manifestation, intention setting, and releasing what no longer serves us. This particular full moon is also known as the buck moon. This name originates from Native American traditions, as July is the time when male deer, or bucks, begin to regrow their antlers. It's a symbol of renewal, strength, and the cyclical nature of life. Just like the buck sheds its old antlers to make way for new growth, this full moon encourages us to shed old patterns, beliefs, and habits that hold us back. The combination of the supermoon's amplified energy and the symbolism of the buck moon makes this a truly transformative time. Even though the peak has passed, the effects of this powerful lunar event are still rippling through the energetic field and will continue to do so throughout the rest of July. This extended window of opportunity is perfect for those of you who may have missed the peak or are looking for an extra boost in your manifestations. The supermoon's proximity to Earth intensifies its gravitational pull, which is believed to affect our emotions, behaviors, and even the tide. This heightened energy can stir up deep-seated emotions and bring subconscious patterns to the surface, making it an ideal time for introspection and self-reflection. By acknowledging and releasing these old energies, we create space for new beginnings and positive transformations. But the supermoon's influence isn't just about release and letting go. It's also about harnessing the potent energy to manifest our desires and intentions. Just as the moon's gravitational pull affects the tides, it can also pull our dreams and goals closer to us. This is why working with intention-setting rituals and tools like cloves during this time can be so impactful. So, even if you didn't participate in a ritual on the peak night of the full moon, fear not. The energy is still very much present and available to you. By embracing the symbolism of the buck moon, releasing what no longer serves you, and actively working towards your goals, you can maximize the transformative power of this supermoon. Now that we've discussed the significance of this powerful supermoon and the extended window of opportunity it presents, let's dive into a simple yet potent ritual using cloves to harness this energy. To prepare for your ritual, gather your supplies: cloves, whole or ground, a candle, a jar or bowl, paper and pen, and spring water that was ideally left out under the full moon overnight. The cloves, with their warm, spicy aroma, attract abundance, prosperity, and protection, while the candle symbolizes your intentions and the water, charged with lunar vibrations, amplifies the energy. Find a quiet, comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. Dim the lights or turn them off completely and light your candle. If you have any crystals or other sacred objects, feel free to incorporate them into your space. Take a few deep breaths to center yourself and connect with your intention for this ritual. Begin by grounding yourself, focusing on your breath and feeling the energy of the earth beneath you. On your paper, write down your desires, goals, or affirmations with clarity and specificity. What do you want to manifest in your life? What are you ready to release? With your sacred space prepared and your intentions written down, it's time to embark on this powerful clove ritual. Take a few deep breaths, allowing your mind to quiet and your heart to open. Focus on the specific type of abundance you wish to attract into your life. Is it financial abundance? Perhaps you envision a life free from financial worries, with ample resources to support your dreams and passion. Or maybe it's abundance in your relationships, where you're surrounded by loving, supportive connections that nourish your soul. It could even be vibrant health, where you feel energized, strong, and free from illness. Whatever it may be, hold it clearly in your mind's eye, as if it were already your reality. Now, take your cloves and begin infusing them with this intention. If you're using whole cloves, gently place a handful into your jar or bowl of spring water. Watch as they sink to the bottom, releasing their potent energy into the water. If you're using ground cloves, carefully spoon them into a small cloth or tea bag, ensuring that it's securely tied or closed. As you immerse the sachet into the water, visualize the clove's essence permeating the liquid, carrying your intentions and desires. As the cloves infuse the water, take a moment to connect with the energy of this sacred ritual. Close your eyes and envision your life overflowing with the abundance you seek. See yourself effortlessly attracting financial opportunities, forging deep and meaningful relationships, or radiating vibrant health. Feel the joy and gratitude that this abundance brings you, as if it were already yours to claim. To further amplify the energy of this ritual, repeat a positive affirmation that resonates with you. It could be something as simple as "I am open and ready to receive abundance in all forms," or a more specific affirmation tailored to your desired outcome, such as "I am a money magnet," or "I am worthy of love and happiness." Allow the words to sink into your heart and mind, filling you with a sense of hope and possibility. Repeat the affirmation several times, feeling its power grow with each repetition. Next, take your paper and pen and create a gratitude list. Write down 5-10 things you are grateful for in your life right now, no matter how small they may seem. It could be the warmth of the sun on your face, the love of a pet, a kind word from a friend, or even the simple act of breathing. By acknowledging and appreciating the blessings that are already present in your life, you open yourself up to receive even more. Gratitude is a powerful magnet for abundance. Now, take a few cloves from the water or sachet and hold them in your hands. Close your eyes and express your gratitude out loud or silently for the abundance you are about to receive. Feel the energy of the cloves pulsating with your intention and gratitude. Place these cloves in a separate dish as an offering, symbolizing your willingness to share and spread the abundance you receive. This act of generosity further amplifies the energy of the ritual and reinforces your commitment to creating a world of abundance for yourself and others. Now, leave the jar or bowl of clove-infused water undisturbed overnight. Allow the cloves to continue their magical work, steeping the water with their potent energy and your intentions. As you drift off to sleep, envision yourself surrounded by abundance in all its forms. Imagine waking up to a life filled with financial prosperity, loving relationships, and vibrant health. Feel the excitement and anticipation for all that is to come. The next morning, gently remove the cloves from the water, either discarding them or composting them with gratitude. Now, take a small amount of the clove-infused water and drink it mindfully, visualizing the abundance flowing into your life. As you savor the warm, spicy flavor, imagine it filling every cell of your being with prosperity, love, health, or whatever it is that you've called forth. Feel the energy of the cloves merging with your own, creating a powerful synergy that propels you towards your goals. Continue to practice gratitude daily, even after this ritual is complete. Make it a habit to reflect on the blessings in your life, big and small. You can revisit your gratitude list, write in a gratitude journal, or simply take a few moments each day to appreciate the abundance that surrounds you. By making gratitude a way of life, you create a fertile ground for abundance to flourish. And there you have it, beautiful souls. A simple yet potent clove ritual to harness the lingering energy of the supermoon and manifest abundance in all areas of your life. Remember, this is just one of many ways to work with the powerful energy of the full moon and cloves. Feel free to adapt this ritual to your own preferences and beliefs, adding your own personal touches and intentions. As you continue on your journey of manifestation, keep in mind that abundance is not just about material wealth. It's about cultivating a rich and fulfilling life in every aspect, financially, emotionally, spiritually, and physically. By practicing gratitude, setting clear intentions, and taking inspired action, you can unlock the infinite abundance that the universe has to offer. I encourage you to try this clove ritual and see what unfolds in your life. Be open to receiving the unexpected blessings and opportunities that may come your way. And most importantly, trust in the process. Manifestation is a journey, not a destination. It takes time, patience, and unwavering belief in your own worthiness to receive all that you desire. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might also benefit from this powerful ritual. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on manifestation, spirituality, and personal growth. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Remember, you are a powerful creator, capable of manifesting a life beyond your wildest dreams. The universe is conspiring in your favor, and the abundance you seek is already on its way to you. Embrace the energy of the supermoon, harness the magic of cloves, and step into your full potential. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. Until next time, keep shining your light and spreading your love.